नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण वर्ग 9वा 10वा टेस्ट 2 सायन्स सेमी इंग्लिश मध्ये सोडवलेली होती। आज आपण क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट जनरल सायन्स टेस्ट 2 सोडवणार आहोत। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Here are some instructions. Read carefully all the instruction. Question 1. Write the answer of the following question. It have 3 marks. Question number 1. Observe the given picture carefully. How would you avoid this? Answer of this question is: picture show leather shoes get affected by fungi due to moisture. We would avoid this by applying polish or oil on the leather shoes. Question 2. What type of change is the change of season from summer to rain and rain to winter? The answer of this question is periodic changes. Question number 3. Complete the following chart. Here a flow chart is given with 2 blanks: cell, blank organ system, and there is another blank. And the answer of this question is: cell form tissues, tissues form organ forms organ system, and many organ systems are accompanied in a body. Question number 2. Write the answers of the following question, any 3, and it have 6 marks. Question number 1. Distinguish between conduction and convection. Conduction and convection. First point is: transfer of heat from hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. Heat is transferred by means of current called convection current. This process is called convection of heat. Second point is: medium is required for conduction of heat. Convection needs a medium. And third point: in conduction, particles of material hot move only transfer of heat from one particle to the next particle takes place. In convection, molecules of material absorb heat and move to another place. Question number 2. It is a problem. A force of 800 Newton was applied to stop a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car stopped after moving 12 meters. How much work is the work done? From the question, we have given F is equal to, that is force is equal to 800 N, S that is the displacement is equal to minus 12 meter. Here minus sign is given, that is 12 M is the negative because after applying brake car was stopped, which was opposite to the force. We have to calculate work done, therefore we use a formula W is equal to F into S and put the value of F and S in the formula. 800 N into minus 12 M, we get minus 9600 Nm, and work unit is a joule, and we get an answer minus 9600 joule. Question number 3. Why does this happen? There is a crackling sound produced while wearing a sweater. Answer: sweater is made up of wool. Due to friction, electric charge develop on a wool. While wearing a sweater, by friction, static electric charge was developed on wool. Due to opposite charge attraction, minute spark from which causes crackling sound. Question number 4. Draw a neat diagram of plant cell and show the cell organelle given in the bracket. Bracket we have nucleus, vacuole, chloroplast and mitochondria. Here we draw a diagram of plant cell showing mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuole and nucleus. Question number 3. Write the answer of the following question. It has 6 marks. First question. Identify the part shown in the figure and write their function. First, A part is liver and the function of liver, main function storage of glucose, store bile digestive juices, it help to digest fat. Part B is stomach and its function stomach secrete gastric juices, churning of food takes place, mainly protein are digested in stomach. C part is small intestine. Most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place in small intestine. Digestive juices mix in small intestine. Absorption of nutrient takes place in small intestine. Question number 2. What precaution will you take during thunderstorm? The precautions are: first, do not stand on open ground or below a tree. Do not stand near an electric pole or tower. Do not gather all together in one place. Do not use plug in electrical appliances. Do not use mobile or telephone. Stand on dry wood, plastic sheet, sack or jute cloth or dry leaves. In this way we solve preparatory test 2 class 8 subject science in semi-English.